Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about multiple inheritance in Python. We would like to write a program that defines two parent classes called father and mother and a child class called child that inherits from both of the parent classes. Here is my first parent class called father. This class has one function called showFather. Whenever this function is called, we are having this message being shown in the output, father's property. Then we are having the second parent class called mother. Then this has a function that is called show underscore mother. And whenever this function is called, we're going to have this message in the output, mother's property. Finally, we are having a class called child that inherits from both of the classes. So here, first of all, we learned that the child class can inherit from first parent class, comma, second parent class. Okay, so it's possible for a child class to inherit from two classes, or let's say multiple classes. This is how we can declare them. Then we are having a function called showChild, and whenever this showChild function is called, this message is shown in the output, child's property. So here we are creating an object from the child class. By using that object, we can access the showFather function, then showMother function, and also the showChild function. So let me run the code. When we run the code, we see these messages are printed in the output. We see that father's property, this print is shown, then mother's property, this print is shown. Sorry, father's property, this print is shown, then mother's property, this print is shown, then child property, which is this print for us. So in this video, we learned how a child class can inherit from multiple classes and how an object of the child class can access the functions of both parent classes in Python. Thank you for watching.